Hello, my name is Brian Chisaki, and for my MAE52 final project, I created Luxo Jr. from Pixar. Luxo was created from 25 unique parts and is fully mechanical. I also created the Pixar ball and Pixar letters. For the building process, I heavily utilized the Sketch Draw tool and traced many of my parts using splices and other sketch geometries. For simpler parts such as the support beams and triangular plates, a simple extrude boss was all I needed to do to complete the part. However, for more complicated geometry such as the head and base, I had to utilize surface revolutions, thickening functions, 3D sketches, and other surface functions in order to create these parts. I spent a majority of my time assembling and animating this project in order to make a fluid and smooth animation. I primarily had to use angle limit, distance, and hinge mates in order to have full control over Luxo's mechanical motion. I then utilized the mate controller and created 19 positions for my animation. Finally, I conducted a static study on the triangular plate which supports Luxo's head. Assuming that it was made from stainless steel, I put a bearing load of 15 pounds to simulate the force of the jump. I found serious deformation in this test, thereby concluding that Luxo's iconic jumping motion is not realistic given the dimensions and the shape of the part. Overall, this project took about 30 to 40 hours to create, but I had a lot of fun and learned a lot from SolidWorks. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.